Hello again guys! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Lutuing Pinoy Abroad with Elmer and Desiree. Today, I'll be cooking Pakbet or Pinakbet, one of the Filipino indigenous dish that originated from northern parts of the Philippines. It is kind of dish with a mixture of many vegetables that suited in fish or shrimp sauce. This kind of dish is well known for its nutrients and flavors that offers to us. By the way guys, most of our viewers are non-subscribers, so consider giving us a follow by subscribing. It's free and it will help us continue to grow our YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Now here are our ingredients. Squash, long string beans, soy sauce, oil, salt and pepper, shrimp paste, onion, garlic, tomato, eggplant, bitter gourd, okra or lady's finger, dissolved pork broth, and pork. Now it's time to prepare the ingredients. Let's start with the garlic. About 4 cloves of garlic, peel and slice. Set aside, followed by onion. It's a medium size of onion, peel and chop as well. Then set aside. Now is the tomato. Just chop it according to your size preference. Followed by the eggplant. It's up to you what kind of slice or chop that you're going to make on the eggplant. Then set aside as well. Now let us season our pork by salt. It's time to start cooking. In a clean wok, just pour in the oil. And start sauteing our pork. We'll be cooking this pork until tender and golden brown in color. Now it's time for the garlic to saute on the same wok, followed by onion. It's time to add our squash. We'll be cooking our vegetable according to its toughness. Then our bito gourd and lady's finger. Just keep mixing and follow the long green beans. Eggplant and tomato. Also our seasoning, the pork broth, soy sauce, ground black pepper, and salt. Just keep mixing before covering and bring it to boil until the vegetables are tender. Now let's check our vegetable. At this point in time, the shrimp sauce or shrimp paste is ready to add. The amount of shrimp paste that you're going to add on this dish is depending on your taste preference. And mix it so that it will be well incorporated with the vegetable. At this point in time, our pakbet is ready. Now we're going to taste. The taste is okay now. Our pakbet is ready to serve with our family to enjoy this flavor of this well-known Filipino dish, pakbet. Please guys, support our YouTube channel, Facebook page, TikTok, Instagram at Lutuing Pinoy Abroad for more videos of DIY and cooking. And here is our well-known pakbet. Thank you very much for watching. God bless. Enjoy cooking. Happy eating. Bye-bye.